So in Microsoft Power Pages, you can also go ahead and add in breadcrumb components. So to do that over here, let me just go around onto a section where I have something. Seems like I have occupied everything, but over here you can see that there's an add a component section right here. Let me just go ahead onto the three dot button right here, and you can see that breadcrumb is an option right here. So once you go around over here onto the breadcrumb, this is what you see right here. You see the home right here, just like this. You can go ahead and change around the breadcrumb design to be double, or you can go ahead and use slash, and then you can go ahead and show home right here just like this as text only, or you can make it hidden or icon only right here, or icon and text, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and choose the type of the text that you want as well, just like this. So now once this is done, let's just go ahead on to the preview right here. I'm going to go ahead on to the desktop preview, let's say for example right here. And as this loads, let me just go around over here onto where I added in the breadcrumb. You can see that I see home right here just like this. So no matter which page you are in, you get an indication of where you are by utilizing the breadcrumb. So let me just go around back around over here just like this again. And let's say I'm going to go for the FAQ section right here. So let's say I want to add in a breadcrumb somewhere. So I'm going to add in a section, one column section, and let me just go around over here and add in a breadcrumb right here. And you can see that this is under home and FAQs right here. So you can see that this is the main page, and then you got the FAQs. So if I were to go ahead and preview this page out now, so let's just go around over here. What happens is that you see the FAQ page right here, and then you see the home as well. You can see double arrow right here because we actually went around and selected double arrow. You can go for a single arrow right here as well, or you can add in slash as well as you want right here, just like this. And then similarly, those changes actually will occur right here. So you can see that I can go around over here. Let me just go ahead and preview out the desktop version of it right here, just like this. And then you got the change accordingly. If I were to go around onto home, then it is actually clickable right here, and you get back onto the home page. And that is how you can go ahead and add in breadcrumb component inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.